이곳은 대한민국의 서울입니다. 네, 오늘도 한국에서 카메라를 켜는 이유는 외국인 친구가 왔습니다. 무려 제가 옛날에 처음 유튜브 시작할 때 필리핀에서 만났던 태국 친구인데, 이 친구를 작년에 태국에서 봤어요. 영상에는 담지 않았지만. 근데 처음으로 한국에 온다고 해서 오랜만에 다시 만나게 됐습니다. Ah, Sunny, long time no see.
Long time no see. How are you?
Welcome to Korea.
I love your.
Yeah.
Wow, it looks like you from Nepali, Nepal, na?
Today weather is so good. So he is the king, Sejong.
Jason.
Yeah, he made Korean.
Okay.
So he's there in the center of Seoul,
Okay.
and he is the great general.
Okay.
That's why he protects our king and palace.
Okay.
So Thai language also your king made, right?
Yeah.
Ah, I didn't know that.
Yeah. Oh my God. Everyone.
I'm sorry, I didn't check this because normally we close at Monday everywhere, but it's Tuesday. I also didn't. But it's, yeah. How was it so far? You've been Jeju and Seoul. Yeah. How was it?
In Jeju, I did not make a video, any
Huh?
video.
Why? Why not?
just for take a rest holiday.
Ah, really?
It's good. Jeju, yeah.
I want to see your video in
But
Jeju.
I did not make video.
Okay,
But-
next time.
But it's cool.
Mm-hmm.
It's hotter than the
Yeah.
mainland, yeah.
Yes, yes.
But yeah, so far so good.
Yeah.
I only sleep because of the weather.
Yeah. If you go somewhere, it will be better.
Yeah, because I really don't like Bangkok weather. It's
Mhm.
very hot now. Oh my God.
Oh, few weeks ago it was cold, I heard.
Not really.
Yeah, it was very cold. My
And
friends say.
pollution. Oh my God.
Yeah, I heard that. Yeah.
I want to run away.
지난번에 여름에 톰이랑 여기 같이 왔는데 그때는 진짜 좋았는데 사람도 많고. 아, 지금은 한 명도 없네요. 추워. I think I
People
can't.
don't eat that.
Yeah, we don't eat. We can eat. We eat. We have. We eat dog, but
duck, not dog.
yeah, I know.
Pronounce correctly.
Yeah, dog.
Duck.
We eat dog, but I don't know. This one is not for the food.
Really?
Yeah.
Very beautiful, right? Colorful duck.
Yeah.
This can eat.
Yeah.
Look cute, but
Yeah.
delicious, I think.
But I don't know. They are our neighbor. So,
It look very cool.
Yeah.
Look. Oh my God.
oh, 추워라. I'm a blackbird now.
Look.
Yeah.
From what you wear, from your hair, from your beard.
I'm Yeti. I'm Korean Yeti.
I'm gonna say that one, but I forget the name.
Uh-huh.
Yeti. Yeah.
Maybe I will shave next time.
It's more clean for you.
Mhm.
Now look very messy, dirty.
Yeah, dirty. Yeah. I'm homeless now.
Oh, if the homeless stay outside now, you think they're gonna
No,
freezing
no.
to death?
They normally stay at the station, inside of station.
Ah,
Small station, like big station.
because they provide the heater. Because if the weather is like Thailand, I think homeless is okay. But
Yes.
here, I think can die.
Yeah. So that's why you cannot see the homeless often on the streets. of Seoul. So this is Insadong.
Inside of
Yeah, it's very traditional street.
Okay.
They sell traditional stuff. Did you watch Squid Game 2 before?
this one.
Yeah. Did you
For
watch?
what? That one.
Yeah. This one. Do you remember?
Home kitchen.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, this one is for that.
Oh.
But traditional shape.
In Thailand also use.
You also use?
We use stone to play.
stone.
What is that?
Oh yeah, this is also kind of sweet potato.
Ah.
You want some?
Look very interesting.
선생님 고구마 살 수 있나요?
예.
얼마예요?
2,500원입니다.
How much?
But I don't have cash.
I have cash.
Oh, good.
Oh. 와. 대박.
감사합니다.
네, 감사합니다. 수고하세요.
Wow, hot. Thai people really cannot eat hot things. Oh.
어, 이렇게. do this.
Oh,
So you are also
but it's
very sweet.
Oh.
Yeah.
very nice to eat.
Wow. You like it?
Stuff.
Good. Okay.
But expensive. ให้คนไม่ชอบกินของหวานมารีวิวของหวานก่อน
Yeah, winter food.
So if summer, what he gonna sell? What that vendor gonna sell though?
Maybe ice cream. I don't know.
This is correct how to eat like you.
No,
You're not hot?
No,
You're not hot?
hot.
Like
also
have
hot.
you ever experienced like very burn like when you eat hot food? It's also burn your mouth too? Okay.
I'm also human.
But delicious, right?
Yeah. It's because I don't like sweets. But if someone likes sweets, it's a perfect
So
for
the
them.
me too. Don't really like sweet thing. Very cute, that guy.
Maybe there.
Where we gonna go to drink?
It's very old shop.
Okay.
I love that.
Okay.
Here, so it's like 가게 맥주. They sell like shop, supermarket, but they also cook. So
If you want some side dish to drink with.
yeah, actually they start to sell the drink only, but maybe someone want to eat. So they start to making something. Okay.
Very old area.
Yes, that's why I love this place.
Very traditional, friend.
Very no, not traditional, very local. I want to show you something. I never seen toilet outside in Korea, and here is the toilet outside. I feel like here is like abroad, India or somewhere. So I feel when I come here, I feel I'm traveling now.
Very adventure.
Yes.
Adventure
Adventure for me.
fun.
Yes. That's why I love this place. I really love this place.
For sharing with me.
To come to pee here.
Yeah. Now we got very
Yes.
interesting toilet.
Yeah. Wow. Finally, I drink makgeolli with you.
We drink. Oh my god, it's gas. It's gas.
Wow. Finally, we drink makgeolli together. Yeah, Korean way.
Is there anything to say? Or
Okay. 짠.
근데 오래 걸려. 형님 오래 걸려. 쪽팔 케이크잖아.
This is buchu, green one. This is very good for your dick.
normally eat makgeolli with this food.
Yeah. Every John. Every John.
This is called John Nin fry.
Yeah, circle pancake.
My first time to eat this,
Really?
but I eat kimchi John already a lot. Start. 천천히 빨리 먹어.
천천히 빨리 먹어. Yes.
그냥 일반 홈런볼.
소주 드시면 안 될 것 같아요.
A million YouTuber.
Million subscriber.
Yeah, or million. Yeah.
You already drunken, so now you cannot speak smoothly.
Million. Yeah. When we meet, you were 60,000. I remember.
60,
Yeah,
70.
not 70. Yeah,
Yeah.
60.
Really?
Yeah, I remember.
Really?
Yes.
70.
No, I remember.
I just want people to keep watching my video, that's all.
Yeah.
I don't care about subscriber. Even you have million, 2 million, but people don't watch you. Useless.
You're just working. Yeah. And yeah, you are very fast, I can say, because
Since we met almost
3 years ago.
almost 3 years,
3 years.
right? Already?
Yes.
Not for long, oh my god.
Yeah, 3 years ago, May. I started May. That's why I remember. I just met you when I started travel.
Correct.
Yeah. Yeah. So after 3 years. Yeah. Wow.
You are my good travel mate to drink.
To drink. Yes.
Very fun. Yeah.
Kanduai and then our best friend.
Mongolia.
That's second best friend.
Because when you become the backpacker, you need to meet like very best friend to travel together.
Yeah.
You know, Even you meet many backpacker, but not everyone you will keep contact. You gotta same with me. How to say the common sense same. That's why we still, when we talk, when we travel, when we eat, it's same. That's why we can still be friends. What is it? I'm still fine.
Sorry, what?
It's not drunken. It's like beer. It's not drunken.
You start to proud of yourself.
Oh, it's not drunken. It's very easy.
I thought you drunken.
No, I'm not drunken. 짠.
How was about 김치전?
맛있어요.
Yeah. So how was about 김치전?
What you want?
I don't know. It's up to you.
Just walk first.
Yeah, it's up to you.
Oh, tell him. Just walk first.
Yeah. Okay. You can go.
Oh, very drunken.
Yeah, me too. Well, let's finish today and then we can meet in the other day. 네, 그럼 오늘 영상 여기서 마무리하고 다음 영상에서 뵙겠습니다. 고맙습니다.